In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to group and ungroup objects or elements together here on Canva. So what we can do is to hold on Shift on our keyboard and select the elements that we would like to. So we will be selecting the text box and this graphic here. So we'll select the text box and we're going to select this graphic. When we do this, you're going to see this icon come up here: group, duplicate, delete, and more. So we're going to click on group, and now they're in the same group. So even if we click away from it and we come back to click on it, you can see that they will be together. Now, if we drag it up, because they're in the same group, they're going to be moving together. If we also want to add this to this group, all we need to do is to click on it, on group, and then while we have our Shift key, because we still have these two selected, we can come over here. While holding on our Shift key on the keyboard, we can click on it and we're going to click on group. So you have to take note that whenever you hold on Shift and select more than one element or a text box with something else, this will come up. So we can now click on group and now everything is together. So before we just had business strategy text box and this graphic moving, but now when we move this, you can see that it's moving along with the business strategy text box and this other graphic. So now we have three elements in this group. And of course, if you're done with it, you can of course click on ungroup and everything will be on their own. So this is how to group and ungroup objects or elements together here in Canva.